Welcome to English with Belle. Today we're going to talk about past tenses. Let's start with the past simple. We use it to talk about single finished events or sequences of completed actions in the past. Take a look at this example. She locked the door and left. These are two single actions which happened one right after the other. We also use the past simple to talk about actions in the past when we know the time. For example, I bought this camera 2 months ago. We use the past simple when we have a definite time reference. For example, a date or phrases which contain ago, last, or yesterday. Let's turn to the past continuous now. We use it to talk about an action in progress at a particular point of time in the past. For example, at 3 o'clock, I was studying. This is not a single action. This is an action which took place over a period of time. We also use it to set the scene. For example, it was raining and the sky was dark. We often see this in stories when we write the opening paragraph. We also use the past continuous to talk about an action in progress interrupted by another action in the past. For example, I was watching TV when Dave rang. In this case, I was watching TV is the action in progress which was interrupted by the phone call. Now, what about the past perfect simple? We use it to talk about an action or event which happened before another event in the past. For example, he was angry because he had lost the train. When we use it together with the past simple, we use the past perfect for the action that happened first. In this case, the action which happened first is losing the train. In the case of the past perfect continuous, we use it for an action in the past which continued until another action or event. For example, I had been waiting for half an hour before the bus came along. The difference with the past perfect simple is that in the case of the past perfect continuous, we are emphasizing the length of the action. Now, what about narratives? Or if we have to write our own story? We're going to use the past simple to describe the main sequence of events, the past continuous for the background actions, and the past perfect to refer back to a previous action.